When a baby animal loses a parent, their chance of survival drastically decreases. Without parental guidance, they are left to fend for themselves when they haven't even learned the most basic survival skills. Naturally, it's easy to assume their time is limited. Thankfully, this feeling of hopelessness doesn't always last. When a mama fox was struck and killed by a car in Germany, it left her cub, later nicknamed Dinazo, an orphan. The poor baby was now in dire need of a new family, or else he wouldn't survive. Luckily, just when it appeared as if all hope was lost, he found help from an unlikely friend. More often than not, orphaned animals have little chance of surviving. They rely on their parents, especially their mothers, for sustenance, warmth, and support, and unlike their domesticated cousins, they usually don't have the luxury of being adopted or cared for by humans. This is exactly what a 3-week-old fox cub, later named Dinazo, was dealing with in Germany. After losing his mother when she was struck by a car, little Dinazo faced very low odds of survival. Without a family to care for him, it was obvious that he would need a miracle to live. The odds of Dinazo finding proper shelter and food on his own, and at such a young age, were slim, to say the least. Thankfully, a veterinarian spotted him after his mother was hit by the car and took him in. Still, he couldn't stay there forever. Dinazo needed a real home. Just when it seemed as if all hope was lost, a couple from Berchelt, Germany, caught wind of the little fox cub story and decided to step in. Werner and Angelika were already the proud owners of a long-haired collie named Ziva, a Bengal cat named Leopold, and 2 adopted piglets. They immediately knew little Dinazo would make a welcome addition to their family. His bond with Ziva, though, was unexpected and instantaneous. Dinazo spent the majority of his time at home with Ziva, who by that point had taken on a more maternal role in his life. She played an integral role in teaching him how to get along all on his own. Most of all, she loved to cuddle and care for her new adoptive pup. Dinazo enjoyed spending lots of time with Leopold the Bengal cat too. In fact, the rambunctious pair would play with each other for hours, chasing one another around the property as fast as they could. Before long, Dinazo had grown into quite the sly fox. Leopold taught him plenty of tricks. The fox has gotten used to getting in and out of the house through the cat's door, Werner recalled during an interview. Now there's the look of a fox who knows he's got a few tricks up his sleeve. While they were initially skeptical about how Dinazo would fit in with their already large animal family, Werner and Angelika couldn't be more pleased with the way it all turned out. Dinazo is the perfect family member. The interaction of animals is very much like siblings in a family, Werner lovingly said about Dinazo's friendships with the various animals. Ziva and Dinazo's relationship in particular was infectious, and brought a lighthearted and upbeat mood to their home. Dinazo might have had an incredibly rough start to his life. Being orphaned at just 3 weeks old isn't easy, but it looked like he found a place that could offer him just the right kind of love and care. Dinazo found the right place to call home. It's great that a little fox is getting a second chance. I hope you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon to never miss the video from our channel.